This floor standing basketball frame has a number of benefits. One, that it is recyclable. All of these waste pipe components are of the same material, and so therefore you can easily recycle them. They're also accessible. The benefits of this design are that you can take out all of the uprights into a bag, and so it's really good for storage. But also, most importantly, you can make it at home. In addition, that once you've got this frame, you can make it from other materials if you wanted a rigid frame, if you didn't want it to collapse, which would be much more cost effective. At the moment, this will cost you around £100 and odd to manufacture at home if you're doing it as a one-off. This is more expensive than the metal freestanding frames that you might be able to buy. However, this is collapsible, and many of these frames are of varying quality, and also at the moment maybe not obtainable. So this is a way of you manufacturing this at home without having to go anywhere else, and it means then you've got control over what you want and the exact sizes, etc.